Here we have a 2017 F350 6.7 Powerstroke. We have a intermittent no start condition. After it sits for about 2 hours or so, customer replaced the fuel pump control module twice already. Still having the same issue, randomly not starting. Went ahead and checked for codes and came back with a couple of codes, which I'll be putting up here in just a second. So I checked the fuel pump module itself, which is again been replaced twice. We checked the wire and harness at the pump, checked the fuses, checked the wire and harness at the fuse box under the hood, and we found, or I found, fuel pump control module, I guess connector wire and harness. This terminal right here, not that one, but this one right here was or is melted. You can see inside the connector. It's kind of hard to see it, but one of those wires actually got a little hot, which causes a bad or poor connection. You can see the wire is a little hot right there. This very last purple wire right there. So we're gonna have to cut the wire, get the connector out of there, the terminal out of there rather, and splice in a new one and put it back together and see what happens. More than likely that is the issue. For what I can see, everything else checked out okay. So we'll see what happens.